Welcome to Tasker Terry Assembly. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this MALM dressing table from IKEA. First step, we're going to put the top down like this, and we're going to put 4 of these screws with the supplied tool. So we want to make sure that these are screwed in all the way, and I'm going to show you here what it should look like when it's in all the way. Just like that. Do all 4 the same as that one. Also place your wooden dowels in the appropriate spots at this point. If you're stuck on some part of this assembly, hopefully I'm going to help you out today with this video. And if I did help you out, be sure to give me a like and a follow. Next, we're going to prepare the sides. Put them in this orientation, and this is the back of the drawer rail. Same thing on the other side. That's the back of the rail, and we're going to use the last hole for the screw. And the second last hole in the wood. You'll see there's another hole beyond that. We're not using that. That's the front of the top, and that's the back of the top. The unfinished side is the back. So we want to make sure we're putting these on the right side. Remember, the hook at the back of the rail is the back. So we're putting them like this. Once you've got them lined up, give a good firm wiggle to get that wooden dowel pin into both spots. And now we're going to secure them with a nut and the little plastic retainer. I'm going to give you a close-up here so you can see how that's done. Tighten these up good. Go back and forth between the 2 of them because they're going to tighten down at different levels. And same thing on the other side. I always start off with putting the nuts on the screws first. Just get a couple threads going and then you can insert the plastic retainers. And put on your plastic feet floor protectors. Next we can stand this up. We're going to put the glass on with the holes in the glass facing the back, just like that. Make sure you line up all four corners so everything's nice and straight on there before you put these retainers on. And 3 of the supplied screws. Great, so I'm going to get this in place, and then in the final step we're going to build the drawer. We're going to start off with 2 cam screws. And they go in the smaller of the 2 holes. Which might be obvious, they don't work properly in the bigger holes. And wooden dowel pins. And we'll put the sides on, just match the grooves with the grooves in the front that we've already worked on. That's going to hold the drawer bottom. And a cam lock on each side. Next, we'll slide the bottom of the drawer into place. With these plastic retainers, you want to put them in by hand first. Don't just hammer them in, because if they're not lined up perfectly, you're going to damage the wood. So push them in by hand so you know that you're in the proper spot. Great, so now we're going to put this back on the floor so we have a sturdy place to work on to put the last 4 retainers in the bottom of the drawer. And I'm using my knee to hold the back of the drawer and my hand to hold the front of the drawer while I screw those in. Awesome, so we're going to slide the drawer rails out. Now I'm actually going to hold those rails on each side with my hands while I slide the drawer back on those rails and place them into the proper spots in the front of the drawers. And then there's going to be 1 screw on each side underneath the bottom that's going to hold it. You can see the hole there. There's one. Make sure you're drilling that screw in straight. There's no pre-drilled holes there. So you want to make sure you're going in straight so you don't damage the drawer. And that's it. Hopefully I've helped you today if you were stuck on some part of this assembly. And if I have, please give me a like and a follow.